Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The Best Treasure Box is probably one of the most versatile and exciting craft kits available for kids and adults alike, offering a fantastic opportunity to unleash creativity and produce unique, personalized items. This kit provides everything needed to design and assemble a charming treasure box, perfect for storing small keepsakes, jewelry, or even as a decorative piece. It's an engaging activity that promotes fine motor skills, patience, and artistic expression, making it an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or just a fun rainy day project that results in a tangible, cherished creation. Number 5. Rainbow Loom Original Rubber Band Bracelet Making Kit. Introducing the original bracelet making kit, recognized as the 2014 Toy of the Year. You can feel confident giving a proven and beloved gift. This comprehensive set includes everything needed to start creating right away. It features a loom board, a metal hook tool, colorful rubber bands, and C-clips. This activity supports fine motor development and creative thinking in children ages 7 and up. It turns screen-free playtime into something meaningful. Design bracelets, rings, necklaces, charms, and small figures using these colorful, latex-free rubber bands. They offer excellent stretch and elasticity for all your creations. Made by the original creator, this ensures quality construction that other kits simply cannot match. Trust in the authentic brand for your crafting needs. What we like. This is the original, award-winning kit that started it all. It includes everything you need to get started right away, making it perfect for beginners. If you're looking for a trusted, classic crafting experience that also helps develop fine motor skills and creativity, this is the one for you. What people say. The loom is easy to assemble and use, making it great for beginners. The kit includes a wide variety of colorful bands and charms, allowing for creative designs. The storage box keeps all the accessories organized and portable. Number 4. Rainbow Loom Carnival Mix. Introducing the Rainbow Loom Carnival Mix, a vibrant collection designed to spark creativity. It's perfect for all your crafting needs. This set comes with a generous 600 rubber bands and 24 C-clips. You'll have plenty of materials to bring your ideas to life. Craft with confidence knowing these rubber bands are latex-free. They are gentle and safe for extended use. We guarantee 100% authentic and original Rainbow Loom products. Experience the quality that crafters trust. Let your imagination run wild with this exciting mix. Create unique bracelets, charms, and more. What we like. This set offers a generous amount of bands and clips for extended crafting fun. It's also latex-free, ensuring a safe experience for everyone. If you need a straightforward refill or a simple addition to your existing supplies and prioritize authentic, safe materials, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a great starter kit for anyone new to the Rainbow Loom. It includes everything you need to get started, with plenty of bands and accessories. The box itself is sturdy and well organized, making it easy to store all your supplies. Number 3. Rainbow Loom Viola Purple Glow. Introducing the Rainbow Loom Viola in Purple Glow. This set is perfect for all your creative weaving needs. It comes with 600 rubber bands and 24 C-clips, giving you plenty of material for multiple projects. The rubber bands are latex-free, ensuring a safe and comfortable crafting experience for everyone. You can be confident that you are receiving 100% guaranteed authentic, original Rainbow Loom products. Let your imagination run wild with this vibrant and exciting crafting set. Create unique bracelets, charms, and more. What we like. This option provides the same great quantity of bands and clips as the previous one, with the added benefit of being latex-free. It guarantees authentic Rainbow Loom quality. If you're looking for a reliable, safe, and standard-sized band refill or starter pack with a touch of color, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The Rainbow Loom Treasure Box is a fantastic addition to the original Loom, offering a wide array of new charms and accessories to enhance creativity. It includes a variety of colorful rubber bands, unique charms like stars and hearts, and useful tools that expand the possibilities for bracelet designs. The organized compartments within the box make it easy to store and access all the components, keeping everything tidy and readily available for crafting sessions. Number 2. Rainbow Loom Mega Combo Set. Introducing the Rainbow Loom Mega Combo Set, your all-in-one kit for endless crafting fun. It's packed with everything you need to get started. This set includes over 7,000 latex-free rubber bands in 21 vibrant colors. You'll have more than enough to create countless amazing designs. Learn to craft 2 unique bracelet designs with our easy-to-follow instructions. Everything you need, including the original loom and hook, is included. Our bands are made from high-quality, latex-free rubber with great elasticity and durability. Your creations will last for years to come. It's an ideal DIY crafting activity that promotes fine motor skills and cognitive thinking. It's perfect for kids and adults to enjoy together. Everything comes neatly organized in a convenient case, making it great for travel, group activities, and parties. Enjoy hours of creative play anywhere. What we like. This is the ultimate mega set for serious crafters, boasting over 7,000 bands in a wide array of colors. It comes with a convenient organizer case and instructions for 2 bracelet designs. If you or your child are looking for endless creative possibilities, enjoy extensive crafting sessions, or need a comprehensive kit for parties and group activities, this is the perfect all-inclusive option. What people say. The loom itself is very sturdy and well-made, ensuring durability for countless crafting sessions. The set includes a wide variety of colorful rubber bands and charms, allowing for endless creative possibilities. The instruction booklet is clear and easy to follow, making it accessible for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Number 1. Rainbow Loom Loomi-Pals Mega Set. Get ready for endless fun with this ultimate crafting set. It's packed with everything you need to create amazing bracelets and more. The innovative Happy Loom lets you make multiple bracelets anywhere, anytime. It's perfect for crafting adventures wherever you go. Add a special touch to your designs with included alpha and pony beads. Spell out names or create fun messages on your bracelets. Keep all your supplies neat and tidy in the convenient carrying case. With 23 compartments, organization is a breeze. Mix and match from a vibrant selection of 7 colors and adorable Loomi-Pal charms. The possibilities for unique creations are limitless. This set is an ideal craft activity for kids aged 7 and up. It helps develop fine motor skills and encourages cognitive thinking while they play. What we like. This set stands out with its inclusion of cute charms and personalized beads, allowing for unique creations. The portable Happy Loom and carrying case make it ideal for crafting on the go. If you love adding personalized touches to your bracelets, enjoy crafting anywhere, or are looking for a fun, feature-rich kit that encourages creativity and organization, this is the set for you. What people say. The Rainbow Loom Treasure Box is a fantastic addition to the Rainbow Loom collection, offering a convenient way to store all your bands, hooks, and charms. It features multiple compartments and drawers, making it easy to organize your supplies and find exactly what you need. The box itself is durable and well-made, designed to withstand regular use by enthusiastic crafters. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.